Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday, August 2nd. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. Oh boy. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing, I do believe. Without the Prime logo. Oh boy. This is coming from Maximum Health Products. Alrighty. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. And here comes the rip or the cut. And of course, you guys could get one at low cost. All the links are going to be down below. So check them out when you guys have some free time and see what they have to offer. Alright. Here. Oh, this is a paid for video. I'm sorry. This is a paid for video. Oh yeah. Here we go. Rock and rolling. This is going to be the Maximum Slim original coffee, green coffee, 1 cup coffee a day. Maximum Slim, new potential formula. It comes with one of these shakers with a filter, I do believe. Not sure about this, but we'll find out what it's do. So there's that. Like I said, this is a paid for video, and found it on FameBit, powered by YouTube. Really cool market for us YouTubers out there. And then here we go. Oh jeez, fumble. Sorry about that. There we go. Take a look at what these look like. Oh, they're powder. Not sure how to do this. This is a special blend. Take 1 packet daily. Before first meal, add 1 pack of hot water or milk and enjoy a healthy cup of coffee. Okay, so not sure how to use this thing. Oops. And also there's a discount code, the Stout 10. You guys will get percentage off your 10% off if you purchase. I just never. Well, we could do a normal. I got a cup. Let me go grab it in the kitchen. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'll be right back. Oh, before I make the drink, I just want to show you guys what it looks like. I don't know if you guys could see that good. It smells really good. I'm really impressed with it. Kind of smells like hot chocolate. It smells really good. So there's that, and I'll be right back again. Alrighty, now here is the liquid form. Ooh, hot. Hot tamale. Where is she? Look at that. It smells really good. And this will help you lose weight, you know? A lot of good health benefits with this stuff. And the smell, and we're about to taste it. I'm just going to let it cool down for a sec. Key features: increases energy, controls appetite, ignites metabolism, supports healthy BMIs, support healthy blood sugar, all natural ingredients. Those who seek effective weight loss and nutritional supplement options to improve overall health. All right. See, green coffee, bean, banana bean leaf. A lot of good stuff in this. And it smells really good, so definitely for you coffee drinkers out here, and if you guys want to lose some weight, you know, I need to start doing it. Getting to that age level now. So, almost 40. Kind of scary. But definitely check them out, Maximum Slim. So this might not be an Amazon. Alright, so definitely good stuff out here. And like I said, cheers to you guys. A little creamy. I don't think I mixed it good enough, but it smells really good, so here we go. Whoa. Holy smokes. This is good. And wow. Tastes like almost like chocolate, like cocoa. So you can probably do like the chilled coffee, you know, your iced cappuccinos and stuff like that. Cold, make it cold and put it in here. On your way to the gym, get your morning workout, drink a couple of that. They recommend, I think, what, 1 packet. That's what I used. Take 1 packet 20 minutes before your first meal, and 1 packet of hot water and milk. Oh, you could add it. Milk might taste good. So really good stuff in here. Feel it. Achieving your fitness goals. Maximum Slim. Green coffee is pure, natural, healthy. Good stuff. So thank you guys for sending me this to show the YouTubers out here. Your company, Maximum Slim. Original green coffee. 1 cup a day. That's all you need. Powerful. Tastes good though. I am really happy with the taste. So you guys want to try something new? Check them out. Links below. Get 10% off. Use the code TheStout79 and you're all set. You guys have a great Thursday. Be safe out there, and I'll see you guys pretty soon. See ya.